Just came at me and said, why are my clippers so loud? I'm gonna show you. This is not centered and it's hitting the side of the guard. You can tell because when you take the guard off, it don't make no noise. I can feel my fingertip, it's hitting this side and it's not hitting this side at all. That's the moving blade. We just need to make sure that that's centered. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna loosen this just a tiny bit. You still want it a little tight so you can still move it. So now I'm gonna shift it over a little bit until I feel it hitting both my fingers evenly. Once it's hitting both my fingers evenly, like it is now, all right, so that's a really good gap. I just tapped it on the table right there. I'm gonna put it in here, see if it makes noise. Follow me for more tips like this.